Everybody, welcome to Easy Tutorials. In this video lecture series, we are going to see file input output function. So the first file input output function is related with strings. So you can enter a group of characters into the file and you can read a group of characters from the file. So the array of characters is called strings. So for reading the strings, you use the function fgetS. So F stands for file, get means you are reading from the file, S means you are reading it as a string. The next one is fputs. So fputs means file you are writing, put means you are writing inside the file, you are writing in the form of string. So that is why it is fputs. So the syntax for fgetS is fgetS, the string which you are going to write, how many strings, string you are going to read, how many strings you are going to read, the integer value and the file pointer. All the file input output function should be related with the file pointer. So always inside the file input output functions you will be having one parameter for sure, that is the file pointer. So this is the syntax for fgetS. So this will be reading some content as a string from the file. So to write some content as a string into the file, the syntax is fputs string comma fp. We'll be seeing one example. So first in this lecture series we'll be seeing fputs. So fputs means the syntax is fputs, the string you have to give, comma the file pointer. Suppose imagine this is a file. So here you are going to write something. So fputs means you are writing fputs in double quotes, you are giving hi. The string which you have to enclose or enter inside the file should be given in double quotes, comma the file pointer. So this file is associated with the file pointer fp. If you are giving fputs, inside that you are giving hi comma fp, hi should be enclosed in double quotes. If you are writing like that, this function, so it will be writing hi, then it will be moving the file pointer to the end of the string which you have entered. So next again if you are writing fputs, the next word would be written and the file pointer will be moved. So initially the file pointer was at the beginning. Once you are calling the function fputs, the content which you are giving will be written and after that the file pointer will be advanced to the next position. This is how fputs will be working. You can give the string directly in double quotes inside this function, or you can declare a character array ch. So any variable name you can give. So ch, in that I am storing the content as string. So while passing you need not give double quotes. So if you are passing a variable, double quotes need not be given. If you are directly passing the string value, it should be given in double quotes. We'll be seeing a program. So now we are going to write some content into the file with the help of fputs. So manually what is the operation? So first you have to open the file. Fputs means you are writing inside the file. So you have to open it in the write mode. While you are opening, the left hand side you have to give the file pointer. Then if the file pointer is returning null, there is some problem in creating the file. So if file pointer is null, equal to null, the file opening is failed. Now you have to read the string which you want to write into the file from the user. Then you have to write it in the file as a character array or string. At the end you have to close the file. So let us see the coding part. So the first step is you have to open the file in write mode with the file pointer. So first I want to create a file pointer or declare a file pointer. So file star fp. I have created a file pointer. File pointer is equal to fopen. The name is test.txt. So I am opening a text editor. So always you have to give .txt. In which mode I am opening? In write mode, because fputs will be writing some content. So you have to mention write mode. If you are giving read mode and if you are using fputs, you will be getting error. So always if you are using a write function, you have to open the file in write mode. So if the file pointer is having a null value, the file is not created. Due to memory space, the file may not be created. Memory space shortage, file may not be created, or some problem, file may not be created. If such problem occurs, your fp will be having a value null. So if fp equal to null, you cannot create a file. Else the file is created. Then you are scanning some input from the user. So once you are scanning it, you can so in str like that, in one string I have scanned the input. So I am using fputs string.fp. So I am reading the value here, scanf. So the third step. The fourth step is I am writing into the file. So for writing into the file, if I am writing the string, so I am having a character array str. So in that I am scanning the value and then I am writing means I can put str. Directly in the program itself I am writing means in double quotes I have to give the content. In both the way I can do. At the end I have to close the file using fclose of file pointer. So this is the program. Now we are going to run and see how the output is coming. So this is a folder where I am having the file fputs. So I am having fputs as a C file, the same program which I explained now. I have stored it in a file fputs.c. Now I am opening the terminal. So the path where the file is resided, I am going to have that path. So this is the place where I am having the file. So all of you make a note that only I am having in this folder the file alone. So now I am running. So ls. So cc space fputs.c. This is the name of the file. I am running. I am getting warning. I can ignore the warning. Now I am running the file ./a.out. So in my folder ./a only I had a file. Now ./a.out file has been, since I got executed, ./a.file is open. Now if I am opening the folder, a file named test.txt is created. I am opening, content is not there. So in the terminal now I am typing some content. Hello. So I have now test.txt I am opening. Hello. The content is stored in this file. So this program demonstrates that using fgetters you can type any content of the file inside the file. So in the program terminal, whatever you are typing, those contents will be entered inside that. So here I have not used any for loop, only one string, one word I am writing. The same fputs if you are giving in for loop. Suppose if you want to type 10 words, you have to put this fputs in a for loop. So that many content will be written. So using fputs, we can write the content into the file. The next program on the next lecture series, we'll be seeing how to use fgetters. Stay tuned to Easy Tutorials. Thank you.